Today we are going to install the WordPress, and we will be doing it manually instead of using the one-click installers provided by the hostings. So, and we will be discussing some points like why we should be preferring the manual install instead of the automatic install. To do the installation, we have to have some basic things done. So let's move towards that. Okay, we have created a simple checklist here, which will ensure that you are not going to forget anything that is required for the installation. For first of all, you have to have a hosting setup there, and then the second thing you will need is the database, and you will have to create it manually, and we will be demonstrating the process as well. The third thing is the FTP user and the FTP client. So this part is actually a bit optional here. Like some hosting providers do provide a very good file manager, so that you can upload the WordPress directly there, and zip file directly there and unzip it there, or else you can use this FTP way. So we will be demonstrating the both ways. The last thing is that you have to have a latest build from the WordPress downloaded, and so that you can have it uploaded to the hosting provider. So moving to the next slide, we will be discussing some of the things that are problem with the automatic installations, and that causes some limitations on the installation regarding some upgrades and compatibility related stuff. So here are the things why you should be installing the WordPress manually, and instead of doing it with the one-click provider. We have outlined few of the things here, and we have our reference in the slides as well. So like the one of the things that there might be an outdated version of the WordPress, there can be some issues with the plugins. And the other thing is that while the hosting provider do embed some of the plugins that they include in the installation for their management point of view, and that may cause some performance issues as well. And these are mostly the things that are not required by you, but they are embedded by the hosting provider for the management of that installation. So that would be the different thing there. There can be security risks. The import tools has some compatibility problems as well. Possible issues you face with the automatic installations, that there can be problem with the upgrading, and most of the database patterns are very formatted or auto-generated, can be can be exploitable to the hacks as well. So for the manual installation, you have all the control in your hand, and you can have a secure database name, users, and password as well. So as we said, like for the auto installations, there can be some of the problems with the additional files and unwanted plugins as well. So this is the reference. If we got these details, it's in the slides, and please do check the details there. So now we are going to start the process, and before we move forward, please, if you like our informative video, if you think that we are doing some informative stuff and it's helpful to you, please do like, subscribe our channel. And also we are open to the comments, and please do comment us, and your comments are very useful in getting us moving forward and getting more creative with your content here. And if you want us to do some tutorial on other WordPress related stuff, please do comment us. See you in the video demonstration for the installation. Thank you.